Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me on this video. Today I'm going to do keyword research for our bill payment tracker. I'm going to use Amazon search bar, self-publishing Titan extension, and also I'm going to show you my keyword research with BookBolt extension KDP Spy. This video also is part of the playlist. Let me show you bill payment tracker playlist, and I'm going to link this on your right hand corner. And guys, if you like videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. So with that being said, let's get started. There you go. I'm on Amazon now and I'm using incognito mode because that's how I'm doing my keyword research. And also I'm using USA zip code because this is the biggest marketplace with lots of customers. So first of all, let's type bill payment tracker. As you can see, Amazon auto-populate lots of suggestions. Let's start with the main keywords. Bill payment tracker. I also have my spreadsheet ready. I have sections for keywords, search volume. This is if you have any paid tool to check search volume. This one is competition products. This is niche score. This is this number for keyword niche score, and average BSR rank, which is here. So let's dive in and I'll show you how I fill this spreadsheet. So let's grab bill payment tracker and I'll paste this here. So we have 41% niche score. This is the competition products, 1514. Average BSR rank is 349. And if you have paid tool, you can fill this. I'm using BookBolt KDP Spy extension. I will open this and I will check the competition search volume. So as you can see, 9715. So let's keep going. I will check the first page to see if there is at least 3 products with less than 300,000 BSR rank, because this will tell me if these keywords are profitable or not. So this one is 234, this one is 13,000, which is around 216 sales, estimate sales per month. This one is with 15,000 BSR rank, 271. So this tells me that this keyword combination is profitable, and also this niche is very profitable. We just need to try to create very good covers and interior and to try to rank on the first page. So first of all, I will check all the suggestions. So let's start with bill payment tracker monthly organizer. And if I decided that this combination of keywords are profitable, I will enter them in my spreadsheet. There you go. 35 niche score, which is not very good, but anyway, at the beginning I will enter everything. 1190 and BSR rank 277,000. I will grab this combination of keywords and I will enter them here. So let's check the BSR rank. This book is ranking also here. This one is with 33,000, 21,000, 66,000. So this one is also good. Let's check if here we have any other combinations. Bill payment organizer, monthly bill payment tracker. Let's check this one. This long tail keywords, and when I fill my spreadsheet I will decide which combination of keywords to go on my title, my subtitle, and 7 keyword boxes. So let's grab bill payment organizer and monthly tracker. Let's paste this here. Just wait a few more seconds to load the statistics. There you go. It's not very good. 9 niche score and around 1 million BSR rank. I'm not gonna use this one, so I will go back to payment tracker and I will keep going until I get enough keywords for my lead. Let's check something else. What we have: bill payment tracker workbook for small business. Let's check this one. I will delete this one. So competition products 542, which is very nice. I hope the niche score to be good. So let's grab keywords, paste them here. 35 niche score, 427,000 BSR rank, 540 competitor products. So let's keep going. What else we can check from here? Pocket, no. So let's delete this. Bill payment organizer, monthly bill payment organizer. First of all, let's do just bill payment organizer and organizer. I'm gonna grab this, paste this here, just wait few more seconds to load. So 39 niche score. So let's check monthly bill payment organizer workbook. 2000 results. Nope. I'm going back. So bill payment tracker monthly organizer. We've got this one. Monthly bill payment organizer. We can put this in our backend. Let's check this one. We've got simple monthly bill payment organizer. And also I'm going to show you another way to find good combination of keywords. We're going to spy on our competitors' titles and subtitles, and we're trying to find a good combination as well. So let's check this one. Let's grab this one, paste this here. So there you go, 34 niche score. It's not very good. 259,000 BSR rank, 2,643 competitor products. So this one is not very good. Anyway, let's try to find some good products. Let's go back actually. Let's delete this one. Bill payment organizer book. Let's try this. 30,000 results. Nope. We're trying to find something with less competition. Let's see what is this one with the long tail keywords. Bill payment organizer workbook. Let's check. And monthly, probably bill tracker. So bill payment organizer workbook and monthly bill planner notebook. 856 results. Let's try to find. This one is with good BSR rank. I'm going to open this in a new tab. This one is also with very good BSR rank. New tab. Let's try to find something else. This one, no. This one is with very good BSR rank. I will open these three. So go on the top. Just wait few more seconds to load. So the first product, bill payment tracker, we check this one. Bill payment organizer workbook, expense and bill tracker. Let's try this one. Copy. What else we have? Bill payment organizer and a workbook, monthly bill planner. Let's check this one first. Expense and bill tracker. Actually, in your competitor's title and subtitle, you can find very good combination of keywords because they are trying to rank as well, like us. So this one is with around between 1,000 and 2,000 competitor products. Let's check this one. Bill payment tracker, simple, quasi, monthly bill payment checklist, organizer, and debt tracker. We can check debt tracker, bill payment checklist organizer. What else? Planner for budgeting, financial planning journal budget. Let's check this one. And Budgeting, financial planning. Let's check this one. Budgeting journal and financial planner budget. 20,000 results. Nope. I'm gonna close this one. Monthly bill payment and organizer. Money debt tracker, simple home budget spreadsheet. You can check all of these combinations. Let's try this one. Copy. Amazon auto populate this. Another combinations with 20,000 results. Let's change this with ends and see if we're going to have better niche score. Let's check this one. 1000 results, 1739 results, 1739 results, 35 niche score, 334,000 BSR rank, and let's grab this and I'm gonna enter this here. So we're going to check these combinations as well. Expense tracker, bill organizer, journal notebook, and I'm going to check all of them. So let's check this one. 20,000 results. Nope. This one is going to be good probably, but this is how you can try to find many keywords in different ways. So let's say bill payment organizer, and when it's ready I'm going to open my KDP Spy extension keywords, and as you can see, KDP Spy, we're going to open many suggestions. I will filter them by search volume and I will start searching for related keyword combinations, and I will start open them in a new tab. Let's say bill payment organizer for men, bill payment tracker, monthly bill payment organizer. Which one? Let's say bill payment organizer monthly. I'm gonna open this in a new tab. I will filter this in all categories. And I will check the niche score, the search volume, everything. And I will fill everything in my spreadsheet. 30,000 results, nope. But I will go through all this list. I will check all of them. And then when I open, let's say this one, I will check this in all departments. And after that, I will open KDP Spy again. And I will check the next combination of keywords, the next, until I get enough keywords. So with that being said, guys, I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new from me. If so, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. All related links will be down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.